Standard 6 Subject Civics. Lesson number 2 Diversity in the Society. The principle of secularism. For centuries, people belonging to different religions such as Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddha, Jain, Parsi, and Jew have been living together in India. To ensure that the people belonging to the different religions and the sects in the country should have the freedom to worship according to their faith and to develop the feeling of mutual understanding among them, important provisions have been made in the Indian Constitution. Among these, an important provision is the principle of secularism. This principle is mentioned in the preamble of Constitution. India is one of the important secular nations of the world. For preserving the linguistic and religious diversity of the country in a sound and healthy manner, the principle of secularism was adopted. According to the principle of secularism, no religion is recognized as the religion of our country. Therefore, while running its administration, a state will not take any action in favor of or against any particular religion. State and religions have been totally separate from each other. Neither will interfere in others' affairs. However, state can form laws to ban the inhuman customs and traditions and practices, etc. For example, there is a ban on the practice of untouchability and observing it is considered as crime. Everyone have freedom to pray and worship according to their religion or the religion of their choice. State cannot discriminate between the individuals on the basis of their religion. People of all religions receive the same treatment from the state. Opportunities of education, employment, and government jobs are made available to all. There is no discrimination on the basis of the religion. Special provisions have been made in the Constitution to protect the religious and linguistic minorities. The religious and linguistic minority have freedom to preserve their linguistic and cultural identity. They also have freedom to develop their own community through education, and for this purpose, the minority groups can establish their own separate educational institutions. Religious harmony have been maintained in the Indian society because of the principle of secularism. Regulation of society. When the society came to be in the existence, it became necessary to regulate the society. From this emerged the necessity for the rules and laws. Earlier, the society was regulated mostly from customs and traditions, codes, etc. But along with the customs and traditions, the regulation of the modern society needs to be done also by the law. The nature of law is different from customs and traditions. Everyone is equal before the law. Many times, rules and laws that were based on the customs and traditions led to inequality in the society. In the present time, laws is mostly written and in a definite form. The regulation of society through laws and traditions is carried out by different organizations and institutions. Different organs of the state like executive, judiciary, police agencies carry out the responsibility of regulating the society. The government bodies at the local level also play an important role in the process of regulation of the society. Thank you.